3D printed body armor. Does it work? Today we're going to find out. So this PETG triangular infill didn't stand a chance to a 9mm. And this PLA gyroid infill also did not stand a chance to 9mm. However, look at the backside here. The exit holes on the gyroid are very similar to the entrance holes. They're not expanding much. Whereas the PETG, the triangular infill, that's got a pretty good exit hole there compared to the entrance. All right, the full infill and the mystery target. And this solid infill, that one's, look at all the strands. That's kind of cool. Wow, that 22 entrance hole is like nothing. But look at the backside. It just shredded each layer, pushed each layer apart. That's kind of cool. You can see each singular printed layer. And then in this mystery one, what the heck? I can't tell how that's printed. Kind of cool. I put a little bigger exit hole than the entrance hole. Oh, uh-oh. This failed print one, that's the solid infill, is splitting apart. Because this one failed and didn't continue, or maybe this one failed. This kind of got a weird print on it. Now they're starting to separate, but hopefully they stay together for the other rounds I have.